going to use a basic palette of cool and warm primaries in each of the colours, an opaque and transparent version. From this palette I'm going to start with Cadmium Yellow, which you can see is a really nice, strong, opaque, warm yellow. And pulling down on the transparent yellow, you can see that it allows the black to show through, which would make it really good for glazing. With the Cadmium Red, like the Cadmium Yellow, it's completely opaque. Whereas the permanent rose, you can see, allows the dark and the light to show through, and again would be a really good colour to use when glazing. The cerulean blue, like the cadmiums, has a really strong opacity, a really nice heavy solid colour, but doesn't allow the light or the dark to shine through. Whereas the ultramarine blue allows the light and the dark to show through, making it an excellent colour for glazing. I hope this insight will give you a greater understanding of your palette and acquainting yourself with opaque and transparent pigments.